Can I fix runny whipped frosting by adding more powdered sugar?
Hello, baking enthusiasts. In today's topic, we're tackling a common issue many of us encounter in the kitchen: runny whipped frosting. More specifically, we're looking at whether adding more powdered sugar can help thicken it up. Let's get right into it.
What causes runny whipped frosting?
Runny whipped frosting can be caused by a number of factors, including over-whipping. This can introduce too much air and make the frosting collapse. Temperature. If your ingredients or the environment is too warm, the fats in your frosting can melt. Excess liquid. Too much milk, water, or other liquid can dilute the frosting. Understanding these causes can help us identify the right solution.
Can adding more powdered sugar help?
The short answer is yes, but with caution. Adding more powdered sugar can indeed help thicken your frosting. The sugar absorbs the excess moisture, which can give the frosting a firmer texture. However, adding too much powdered sugar can make your frosting overly sweet, and it can also make the texture grainy. A good rule of thumb is to add powdered sugar a tablespoon at a time, mix, and then check the consistency before adding more.
What are other ways to thicken frosting?
If adding more sugar isn't the ideal solution for you, there are other ways to thicken your frosting. Refrigeration. Placing the frosting in the fridge can help firm it up. The cold temperature allows the fats to solidify and the frosting to stiffen. Adding a thickening agent. Cornstarch or meringue powder can help absorb excess liquid without adding sweetness. We've explored how to tackle the challenge of runny whipped frosting. While adding more powdered sugar can help, it's important to do so carefully to avoid overly sweet or grainy frosting. Don't forget to consider other alternatives like refrigeration or using a thickening agent. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy baking, everyone!